Tired of messing up your direct deposit info or constantly mistyping your account number? This video will show you exactly how to find and securely share your Chase Bank ACH information in just a few simple steps directly from your Chase account for smooth and accurate transactions. First, open your Chase mobile app or log into your Chase account on your computer. Find the checking account you want to get the ACH information from. Tap on the account to view its details. Now that you're on your account details screen, look for an option like Account Details or Show Details. It might be represented by an icon of an eye or a settings gear. Tap on it. On this screen, you will find your Chase Bank routing number and your full account number, which are both parts of your ACH information. The routing number is often labeled routing number or ABA routing number, and the account number is labeled account number. Provide both the routing number and the account number to the party requesting your ACH information for direct deposit or electronic payments. Double-check that you're providing the correct information to avoid any payment errors. Remember to only share this information with trusted sources and never over and secure connections like public Wi-Fi. And that's it. You've successfully located and shared your Chase Bank ACH information. This process ensures accurate and timely direct deposits and payments. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more simple banking tutorials.